Hello friends. This is Dr. Celucien Joseph, Dr. Lou for short. Once again, we are here for another reading of Creole poetry written by Haitian writers, Haitian poets. I've been wanted to share with you a poem of my own, and it's not written in Creole, it's written in English, a poem that I've written in February the 10th, 2009. It's been 5 years. Actually 6 years. 6 years ago. I've entitled this poem, I Will Sing and I Will Remember. I will sing, I will remember. When I look in the mirror, who do I see? I see me, a black male. Yes, I said, a black male who is free. Nothing will stop me from prevail. Even racism, modernism, postmodernism, dualism, sexism. My heart slept too still. I will reach the mountain top. No one can tell me otherwise. I awoke last night to break anew. With endless freedom, a new song of my lips. I will not stop the lyrics, for my journey has been long. It's time for me to grandly rise. In their eyes, I will not be cast aside. Old memories will cross the path. Will suffer too and die. Freedom will not be denied. Colonialism, racism, I have overcome. England, France, Spain, go down. L'ouverture, show me the way. Hallmark, Sachu, Baba, go away. All discrimination will pass by. Race, fraud, Derrida, and sex crucify. Said says, I will be divine. I, a black male, have seen the glory. At the dawn of liberty, in a dozen ways, I see the color of my destiny. Lifting up the glad freedom song in harmony. We shall overcome someday. Yes, I have overcome today. I am just what I am. The race that fed and nurtured. Watch how the sodden flesh turned to ashes of the past. In a vision, I saw my ancestors crying for the motherland, lost in the new land, like a violent wind. In the Atlantic Sea, blood and flesh revealed, memories, stories, and histories had not forgotten. It is sweet September that you may joyfully remember to do it better, to passionately be fair. I will not surrender. I say never, because I will sing and I will remember. Again, this is a poem that I've written 6 years ago. I will sing, I will remember. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.